Today, I want to talk to you all about the single best financial decision you can make: house hacking. For those of you unfamiliar with the term, it is when you purchase a 1 to 4 unit property with a low percentage down loan, live in one unit while renting out the others such that your tenants are paying off your mortgage. Not only can you completely eradicate what likely is your largest expense, but you can also make more than your mortgage payments while also paying down the loan and realizing the potential of appreciation. What we hear a lot here in BiggerPockets is that you can't house hack because of this, because of that, maybe you have a family, you live too far away, etc., etc. But let me tell you, there's a method for you. In this video, we're going to show you 5 different methods of how you can house hack. I'm sure one of them will work for you. Method number 1, the traditional house hack. The traditional house hack is the most popular type of house hacking. This is when you purchase a 2 to 4 unit property with a 3.5% down FHA loan. You live in one unit, perhaps with a roommate, and rent out the other units. The rent from your roommate plus the other units should cover or come pretty darn close to covering your entire mortgage. This strategy works great for the lower price markets, such as the Midwest and the South. However, it will be very tough to make this work in the higher price markets. Method number 2, the living room. The living room is called the living room for a reason, right? This is my current strategy in Denver, where price points are relatively high. With this strategy, I purchased an up-down duplex and rented the top out like a traditional rental. However, the rent did not quite offset my mortgage. So what did I do? I Airbnb'd my bedroom while setting up a room divider and a curtain in the living room. This strategy is great for those markets where the price points are just a bit higher, such that the rent may not fully cover the mortgage. Can't afford a duplex in your area? Purchasing a single-family home, especially as a first-time home buyer, opens up a lot of financing options. For example, I know they have 1%, 3%, 3.5%, and 5% down loan options on single-family homes. Once you purchase the home, you live in one bedroom while renting out all the others. You can get significantly more rent when you rent by the room. Not only will you likely get more rent from a house hacking a single-family home, but you will likely see higher appreciation as single-family homes tend to appreciate much quicker than multifamily ones. Method number 4, trailer life. This is taking house hacking to the next level. You can purchase a quality camper for about $1,500, park it in your driveway or backyard, and live in that while renting out or Airbnbing the house. This strategy is for the ultimate hustler. Luxurious house hacking is a term that Ben Leibovich coined. This is the complete opposite of the trailer. This is when you purchase a property with an additional dwelling unit or build one yourself. The unit should have a small kitchenette, an operative bathroom, and a comfortable bed to sleep in. You rent that out full-time or on Airbnb while you and your family live in a big, cozy home. So for those who say you can't house hack with a family, think again. As you can see, house hacking comes in all shapes and sizes. The strategy you should deploy totally depends on your current situation. There's typically a trade-off in terms of luxury and return. But if I had to order these from best to worst in terms of return, I would say trailer RV will be your best, then the living room method, rent by the room, traditional, then of course the luxury. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe and bell symbol so you're notified the next time a video is released. Thank you for watching and happy investing.